Hello, everybody. Andrea here. I do apologize. It's been a while since I've posted, uploaded. Time just gets away with you. I truly didn't think it was I didn't realize so much time had passed on. Things have just been super busy. A lot's been going on in my personal life, professional life, you name it. But I'm back now. Things are good. No worries. So I wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek look into the catalog that actually comes out tomorrow. So I'm not really allowed to share the catalog yet online, but what I want to do is if you're watching this and you're really excited that you can't wait until tomorrow, please message me through my page on Facebook and I will give you a little sneak peek. So I'm going to leave the link for you guys on the bottom. So make sure to be a part of that. Send me a message and say, hey, Andrea, you did say you were going to give us a sneak peek. Send me a message so that I can send it to you privately. Or if you can wait, I am going through the entire catalog online on my channel tomorrow morning. Let's get excited. Some amazing stuff is coming out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.